Alright.
Vegas, just a try. Style back killer because two black in the days, killer right off in career. Put in a one deep part. What him have to try hard. And him try hard, and forward out of deep part the killer put him, But watch him still not please. Because watch killer the right off in career. Because and that him still a carry 80 for killer until now. So him a try something.
But
Somewhere.
you're wrong the man,
No, ask you a question again.
cartel,
Is the bird paper wrong? The bird paper is false, yes or no?
Bread, no, wait no man. If Vegas, look, I must say killer breed, I must say Vegas a killer breed the girl from Sham.
Vegas a bigger artist in our world for Bounty.
Let me finish up.
No, for Bounty.
Vegas say killer breed the girl from Sham 14, no. See?
Yeah.
Why? When time killer Brandy man say yeah this and that, yeah? Why him never say yo?
He didn't have the information yet.
Wait,
he never have information yet.
Bro,
he doesn't have information now.
Make him land. Make Fido land, man.
Why? When time the man say, see, Vegas tell the man say, he pregnant a girl, 14-year-old girl, see, when killer 20 are there, yeah? Why? When them time, me must have from them time there, Killer rub him out, Put him career one side, See? Why them time they never sing songs, killer get 14-year-old girl pregnant and do way. Why after how much decade? Over 3 decades?
Bro, him just find information, bro.
No.
He just find information.
No information. Why him never get information
again, the bird paper fake?
That, bro.
Bro, the bird paper fake.
What we can see, bird paper?
After everything fake, brother, money run Jamaica.
Where
can find it?
Really?
Let me never look up that still.
Which
I'm money run Jamaica.
Go to
which part of line we can find it? Come there and look for it while I know attack.
Just type in Vegas Bounty Killer and anywhere attack, whatever keyword them.
Me type in
Vegas Bounty Killer bird paper.
You get what I say, Dancehall war. Me not talk no bias thing, brother. If a man call certain thing for your name, from them time they see. And you have
information.
Why you wait, man? Me finish. Why you wait till almost 4 decades now?
Oh my God!
Yeah, because they never proved. They couldn't prove none of them time there. Remember say them time they can't prove nothing.
He can't prove it, no.
Back in them time, if you tell a man say my fish, it's a go stick pan him because him can't.
Right.
It's not something he can go about. Same thing like if you
That's our serious question. That's our. Listen to this. If a man paying him allegation upon your name as a pedophile and you breed something, you're not gonna answer that.
Four. After you know, say nothing.
Look at no uncle. If you throw Dancehall set up now, whether you answer it or not, them are still say yeah do it.
Say where? So where make sense answer the fool?
So basically, you are saying a bird paper come out and kill enough. He said nothing at all.
No, the bird paper come out. Look at no. Wait, that can't say no.
I tell you,
uncle, tell me the truth. Where killer go come out, cousin?
That bird paper come out and killer said nothing about it.
The fact is there, brother. I don't know where the man go come and say.
Dancehall war. You want me to say my general? Because me is a man, I love breeze upon the facts. And me been upon them attack and look for find this thing. Because I don't know about it. That's why I not say. Because I don't know what I talk about. Yeah. Ask somebody please to tell me where to find it. Me want to see it. Somebody tell me where to find it. Because they are searching the whole
internet. Go on Vegas Facebook,
and man. And I cannot find it. I not talk about Vegas Facebook what him said. That's why him said. I want somebody tell me.
That's why him said where the paper there, the paper. Yeah, the paper itself post.
That's uncle. Me I talk to you. Because remember me not do no debate, or I say what you say no go so. Remember me not know. Me just I said to you, so like you know what if you can tell me where, so me can go look for it. That information me I look to get each other. Me not defend nobody, not accuse nobody. Me not know about
the man who has paper. That's
Here with me. Me see the bird paper more than once. Me no want to look for them like a me and bring him down now.
No, me want to look for you bring the topic.
No, but look at now, me no really want to put out the bird paper still. So
yeah, me no want to do that neither.
Millions want to see it, that's all.
But yeah. a bird paper exists though. For real, I see it more than one time. No, well I know, me see it more than one time. But when I read that King mix up Hold on, brother. King mix up first post it.
Hold on, the video.
Brother,
Hold on.
Pink Wally post it. King mix up the post it. Nah, I'm not giving an
It's up on the internet, man. Brilliant. Just search Google, man. You must find it.
School on the internet, brother. Just believe in a man. It's on the internet, man.
Yo, brilliant.
Gaza, uncle, you know how weird to me about the whole of this.
Yeah, me wait now.
Weird about the whole of this.
Wait now, yard map. Me live in England, see?
Yeah, me
see bird people and them thing there. A simple thing to get if you want to get the bird people away.
Yeah, me know
Imagine
that.
Jamaica.
Yeah, me know that too. Me been a look
so
up
here,
me can't get it.
Brother, I edit.
Yeah, what may I say to you still? What may I say to the conversation?
Brother. When you can allegation I'm bring for the man, killer can lose him visa for them something there, you know? You know, allegation bring for the man name.
You know, send the man. You know, send the man after the pipeline. Show the man talk about it.
Dog, from 2021, brother, got back. Look at that. All right. Type in, whenever I type in, I don't see pop up that one.
Shit. So when the be a man there? When the be a man there? Or be a man there?
Never see if you see him weird, brother.
Wait now.
No, but no.
Wait now, Gaza. Listen to me. If the baby man out there, see, and where the baby man and mother there, the baby man and mother now fall out and say, yo, nothing go so, and the baby mother with themselves kill a beat from.
That woman at 47 now, you know. She not go come back. She at 47,
bro. Bro, yo, stop listening to people, bro. You only like, brother, you know, the amount of thing about your artist, and you only like me talk it.
Answer one. Can I ask a question, please? Bounty killer how much?
Yes, Miss Wang.
Bounty killer how much, Dancehall? Him age?
Oh, 50 and
the girl at 47. Yeah? Alright. You know, enough of the artists them, but them are praise. They with some little teenager too, back in the days. And them are 50 January too. You know that. But too, enough of the girl them not come out from talk as well. You see me?
Bounty killer 53 boss lady. You see me been a look up as I tell you when the man them attack. Yeah, my 53.
Just 53,
yeah, me Google it.
And she are 47.
Yeah.
Yeah, that means a bounty killer 50 years. All and
yeah, that's a match.
All
right. Good. Nice. Me like you. So if you're 14, man 20. Yeah, me follow your boss lady. Yeah, makes sense. Now listen.
All right. So what about the young girls them over the other side, allegedly? Cause her uncle, where them one there was teenager too.
Where you say? Where you coming?
Now get what you say now. So them was that what? But
if Bounty killer the breed that girl at 16, if Bounty the breed, if a cartel you try to cartel no girl when I'm a 14 like killer.
Okay. I rest my case.
Code up that part.
You have to raise the case, can you not prove of that?
Alright, look here, we not talk about cartel right now.
Once again, you see, when we stick on one topic, we have to turn to it. Let me tell you how people see it. The topic, the dancehall can't go without cartel.
We don't like it. So why? When people get a big of a topic, you don't like it? Because watch, she not something wrong.
No, there's
no proof of what she saying.
No, we are going straight right now.
Yeah, there's no proof of what she saying.
So I'm talking about Bounty killer,
isn't it?
So I'm talking about Bounty killer. So why she can't talk about Vice Cartel too?
No, because we talk about cartel all the time, brother. Come on,
no, but you talk about Bounty killer, I talk about no, and she said,
hold on, stop. What is the age of consent? Hold on. What is the age of consent in Jamaica? Hold on, brother. What is the age of consent in
16? I'm about 5 at 16.
The girl was 14. The girl was 14 with that she got.
And you approve of that.
14 is teenager, same way, baby.
No, the age of consent different. Not care what you want to say. Rules and law and the Constitution, the age of consent is different. Rules and laws.
You ask me, I'm going to tell you.
I hear me also dancehall war. Because I'm going to tell you, I don't know about that topic here. I've been trying to find the facts. So what I can tell us if this thing is true, because them an allegation, I can't find a proof on it.
Dog, an allegation are true or facts.
But me I tell them I look Peter, I can't find it. Bear in mind again, I put a disclaimer. I not defend nobody, I not do defending. A logic's my reason upon. I don't know die-hearted, gas and no gully, no nothing. If it makes sense, it makes sense. So as what I say, I have no bias intention. So me I say, if kill a breed a girl when time she a 14, him for that prison, because that's a statutory rape. And that wrong.
And code, remember what we did?
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Yeah, my bad.
It changed right before Gilbert.
Yeah, so what me I say,
It changed
if
88.
that happen,
It changed 88.
yeah, me I say, if that happen, him for the prison card that rank. I mean, I go justify nothing for no man. See? But what me I say until me can see concrete proof, I'm going to look for it, because now it come to my attention, but me I tell you no from no day attack, me been and look and me can't find nothing and now. So when me
You
find
have to
something
check
concrete,
Facebook,
yeah.
man. Just check
That me I
Vegas
say,
Facebook and
yeah,
you will
but you have
see.
members of Facebook where people write things not credible, my God. Anybody can write
Well,
something on Facebook.
but
When
you
you
say
have
you want the
certain things
proof.
like them,
I even have the proof.
yeah, them the thing that credible. You have to have credible
Yeah,
organization.
man, you have to go check some
And when
Mr.
you call
Vegas.
upon people name, you have to sure to
Brilliant.
as
You
well.
see if you go
Yeah.
on YouTube and search it, you're gonna find it for Rick Storm, them and them.
Yeah, me I go up on YouTube.
Blog about it and everything.
Yeah, because I never go up on YouTube. So I go up on it
Search
and
it and you're gonna find it, man.
yeah, because when I say my general, you see when me a whole a reason. If you notice my name not have no side affiliated to it, because I really don't care about no side. I come to talk about the logics of thing, what right, what wrong, what makes sense. I care zero which side I'm on the pan. That don't mean nothing to me. So if the artist do something when me made it logically, him wrong or him right, me I go say it. Me care zero which team, because I not bad for no team. You see me? I just this me them rest my case. But I go and listen no still. Because when I say when me don't know about that topic, me not obviously I don't know about the that allegation this and me go and listen and see what going.
Yeah, no.
All right,
Boy,
next
guys,
topic.
I'm going to take the pressure off and team wicked, you know what?
Yeah, man.
Yo,
In flip the story. That's a fact. You know what I mean? In divert it.
come on, we divert fast.
In
Yo,
divert it.
the man want to take pressure, get enough of a man to
Yeah,
spot.
man.
Must say, yo, dog!
Because you are going to bread. This I question me they do a ask, you know. Even Papa when him forward in. And him attack. Me they do a ask them so what the difference between a host and an MC.
I
Me
can
really
tell
did
you
want to ask
different.
that. You know
It
what I
was
mean?
the whole party make the
Exactly,
thing
because
good.
the host are the MC, you know, but as well
But
in a Jamaican term, Jamaican put everything in a for them way.
But at the
Same
same
like
time,
you
brilliant,
get me as there?
matches are also made on stage. Up in
And
up.
no. All right, Uncle Bread.
I feel like
Bread, at them thing them gonna bring up, you know. Say, oh, we are the host, because the host are the MC and him up on the stage. Right?
no, you kind of upstairs. I just up there
Yeah.
so him did that the whole
Yeah,
time.
But no, no
all
say it
right,
work,
Cause
bro.
most
but
of the
here what going
artists
on.
them they just
Here,
as they right up there.
Bad
So
bro,
but here
bad
what
bro, and
going
say it
on,
work.
my
And I
general.
say it
If
work.
that are the case, then why him not consistent? Because I know if he been a call up the artist them. So how
Exactly.
the
no,
MC works up? Because
the
people are gonna
man
say
did.
nothing on the right. Then why nothing out there at the first? Nothing not supposed to call up nobody. Him supposed to do it. You
I
can't
him
just
tell
pop in
nothing
when
say
you
go
feel
and
like.
balance the stage for me to go
Exactly.
forward and not forward back.
Very good. Him give him permission. So at that I point to he come back to. So, you know, care which side a man want depend, bro. Him wrong. Next people are gonna say, oh, him not this job books. Every man a human being, and 90% of who are saying, if I
Bro,
want to
man,
deal with
me
us
not
in
think that
front
as
of
a
crowd, you
this.
go
Every
feel
man
that
does
way
say,
you
hold
feel, bro.
on.
Yeah, yeah, but
No.
listen, I
That
wear the
can't be
man
a
do it,
this.
bro. Remember saying could I whisper that and tell a man we go tell nothing that and
No
nothing
man,
whisper
that
that.
but by them time the man did I start sing already.
Yeah,
Alright,
bro, but
Papa,
listen,
Papa,
bro.
Papa,
Remember,
but do
if a man
party,
said
yeah.
that to Papa right now, if he going to perform in a
No
job,
man,
You're
you know,
brilliant,
so
place
brilliant,
for
me
a
not
dog
take
talk to
everything
him
as
brilliant,
this.
stupid.
That's what
brilliant.
I tell you, me
What
go
me
Watch
through
out.
tell her?
so much, me not take
Papa,
them
Papa, look
message
at
as
Papa.
this, bro.
Papa, do party, you know, see, I'm a work at events outside of our diaspora, yeah. And sometimes things don't go to plan and then make it roll. Because I want it not affect the whole thing and make it roll in the dog.
Yeah,
Sometimes
cause
you have to
entertainment.
know when to make things work and make things. Cause watch out. Jar Brooks performing now effect nothing now one song, 30 seconds.
Too.
The time when you tell him for hold on and the man
That take
walk out
more.
the venue and
Hold
hear
up.
that come downstairs, they go sing for
Yep.
5 minutes straight,
Yep.
you don't lose the time.
Yeah,
Somewhere I
fuck.
come from.
Yeah, man,
So
I
you
did say
Yeah,
can't
but
be a
before.
me
time.
feel like him should have just make MC enough to correct him. Cause you see time when him take on a move, could not fear try to bring him back and him just gone.
Yeah,
If
can
Nah,
tell
him,
the
me
Moda
man
feel
hold
if
gone
on,
him
too.
the
so hold on,
Moda
yeah,
man.
gone,
I
but
go
me
yeah.
hold
feel like
on,
if
yeah.
him the stand up on the
No, me
stage
not stand
still,
up. If
the
me
man
a
would have
job
tell
Papa,
man
Papa,
so
no,
say,
man,
yo,
me a
what
yeah,
time
job
make the
Papa.
books,
man just sing
me
If
a
the
this thing?
step
dog never
stay
want a
away.
dark
Hold
and
on,
put the
hold
face
on.
that you out on the money, aye.
Joe.
You
Yeah,
know
me a
buy
tell
Me
you
something,
feel
something.
him
dog.
should have moved so fast.
Bread,
You know
He
if
buy
moved
me a
too
job
something.
quick,
books.
Reggie.
Bread, if me a job books, cause me can talk honestly, and a man deal with me in front of the crowd, so bro, either one or two option.
And
It's
before
either we
no,
going to have, it's either we going to have a problem on the stage or me have a walk like job books.
brilliant.
No
Before
other
him
way
say
me
yo
the thing.
wait, him say no. First
Yeah.
him start out with
Mm-hmm.
before him John Line say make him ask them work first. Before him set up part there, the
Yeah.
list was already done. And they
Exactly.
stop me down from
Facts.
performing, bro.
100% correct.
You see thing on understanding, bro. So you depend on this platform Even over here, so. And I'm embarrassed. That's why some man turned to name calling, bro.
Exactly.
Well, I'm gonna say never say that. But as I said, you can't feel the energy the man feel after that. Exactly. Enough over here.
Yeah,
so
man.
when you tell a man, say, yo, clutch dog, make you in one public space. And you feel, you feel violated.
Yeah, man.
Is it a react
or you left? True. That's a reason.
But if he call me a name, then me that feel of it.
Then the worst thing, the crowd was confused, and them say, everybody on the ground, they say, even the man that fought afterwards, probably I said, Jaja. Okay,
yeah, I just have go like that, I call and left.
Everybody, from wanting me to drop, and people start react opposite how we're going.
Yeah,
you must know, say, everybody treat us a disrespect, bro.
Yeah, bro, you're right. Let me tell you, say, for me, I Jabooks, man, I do the same thing. I best think that him do because I one out of two things I go under that situation. All the people attack. You see that man I go react physically or a man I go cut. And him choose
to cut. The next day. The man go up online, post a video, a promoting part. The man say, no,
because he done this with me, I train.
All right.
I run my party.
Well, I'm not bread. Let me show you. Bread. Let me show you one thing for the Gaza people. Remember, say, Gaza pick the popcorn, come out after Shala make me video and tell him, say, a fuck him attacking. Nobody knows that. Popcorn, we're in the Gaza. As an artist, we are the biggest thing next to cartel in the Gaza. Come out and I tell them, say, fuck them attack, disrespect.
Yeah.
Nobody not talk about that. Because anybody who reason logically, bro, Papi himself know him an artist. If a man when doing that, brother, he might feel away. That are the facts of the matter. Because I know like say you even run on funny like them or that him can say, yeah man, me deserve for me get cause him run up a man stage. No matter what him want thinking I mind if my man good or not, nobody no call you. Jabooks thing different. A man actually call you up. I give you the big intro and then a man tap you and this like that. You gonna feel away, bro.
It's the Bounty case and the Marco. The time I take to stop the show and tell a man come off your stage. All of them want to see the one to lift up enough.
True?
Match under him liquor, yo, so you have to see with him.
Yeah, but
if
no,
you're the you can't be a host.
Yeah,
right. Host, you have sound mind. Come back to the hosting again.
So the same thing with the man, I tell us them claim, same I do show now when I'm a producer and a professional.
You can't jump in at your business, bro. Very good. Sense.
Yeah.
People rob you.
Mad system can't make it, bro. I just the boss name them I go ride off. But in terms of them, cause my sister them not really intellectual. Cause people feel that you every man grew up, every man absent. And everybody absent. Some man do good in a school and some man never do.
Well, yeah, the man named Mad Sus.
Yeah, so let me tell you what Infidus go and build, bro.
The man tell him a madman.
I teach Antarad. But
Mad Sus himself knows same fuck up. But guess what? Ego coming to play again. Embarrassment good. I see it. Yeah. Being embarrassed of embarrassing someone in the world that beat you, you have one or two things. You come out, come carry it, and you stand firm and say, you know what? I love it fly.
Exactly.
And right now it's a fly.
Yeah, it's a fly. Our Jabook smart enough, you know, say, here I go on. Name smart enough, I dark personality. Me not too depend on a different thing me depend on.
And the worst thing too, if them become a mess up thing,
yeah,
nothing is forward that Jabook's thing now, yeah, and bring Addy them, look at them and say, yo, me have two artists for real for forward. Me assume strongly that Jabook couldn't tell him to come off of him stage.
No, nobody now do that. Cause remember again as what somebody when say with me.
And the respect.
Come on. And the culture too. Cause dance all of a culture. See? And me even somebody when I make a point say rapper and run on pan rapper stage. Me there me a laugh. Because rapper go on pan rapper stage all the while. Without rapper go invite him. All the while. The most one with Jay-Z and this girl. Yeah.
Brilliant. Look how artists weird, yeah. If people dance come in a party and the man say, yo, I'm not to talk off one kind of pay me, you know. Yeah. And when the crowd start real off him song, all of a sudden, in get a full EP.
Exactly. And that's why I tell a man, say, bro, if you've been a go stage show, you know most of the time them a stage show, the amount of artists where you see most artists not book feet. No man can tell me nothing me backstage all the while and see it.
And some artists bust from that.
You understand? And some man bust from that same way. Because even when the man talk about the teacher himself, I tell you, if you go back one time the teacher in an alliance, when one man for alliance book for the show, every man come perform. Right. You just see man a pop up. So when you
see Budge grab with Mike from Cartel, Budge grab from Cartel,
yeah.
And Cartel, you see, I've seen a Cartel face in Bex.
Yeah,
a bunch of power and say, yo, Gargamel, they can't do that.
Yeah,
I try smooth over.
Exactly what Bounty said. The
I
boys
remember
of
Cartel
today are the men of tomorrow. Idol. Remember good. When Budge take the I remember Cartel when Vex and shape. Cartel when vex and shame. I remember say, in that the moment the two are not even Cartel go up on the stage and a book feet. A Cartel a performer and Bourgeois say me a big artist and a my time and can take it from him.
Alright.
So when we attack Fox Brothers, they say, some of the time, me reason, some of the time I try to know all reason. Because I can't roll reason with people who bias or people who just want nice. Or people
I
who
made some earlier with them, so when I
Logics me love reason with.
Made some earlier that I comment, and I say, when Ninja Man have back in the day lyrics and rate it, yeah, and Cartel a new era. It's so ironic. Yeah. Cartel a Ninja Man now and Massacre Cartel.
Yeah.
But nobody now say theme so outdated. Sure. But this is what I show you. Back then, people were doing the same. I said Ninja sound outdated. Everybody have them.
Alright. But I'm going to give you a bigger joke, bro. Because me a man will reason upon the same topic when it come on to the king and the crown. As I'm say again, a logics me use and do things. Let me tell you have to give Caesar what for Caesar. You see currently in a dancehall and where dancehall is at, a Vibes Cartel of the king, the goat, whatever you want game. Me I go tell you why you have to game, my God. Because enough man, I not tell them you have follow the music. Cartel was from 2002. And from 2002 until now, Vibes Cartel not top gear hits. If you think a joke, just go look up on every year. Every year from him boss him in the hits. If he's not in the top 5, him are the number 1. See? So you give Caesar what Caesar want. Not only that when you go give a man certain thing, you have to also look on the longevity and thing and what him do. Me tell people, you have to also look on him talent what him do. Cartel great because remember, nobody can go point out and say, the song that we Cartel sing are the man the right here, the man the right here. Everything come out of him brain. When I go for enough of the artists and out of them brain. So we have to first establish, hold on, let me just land the plane. Saying coming on want them feel my bias. So in a look our Vibes Cartel do bro, from 2002 to 2025 now go to 2026. Him rightfully deserve where you game. In the same breath, when you go talk about the new youth now, where I hold the throne and the youth them are go feed a massacre. Now because Cartel so great, that no mean say a man can tell us that next youth can come greater, bro. And I say it work.
But you the joke on that. The same issue with the still about Cartel career, we just to highlight it. Would you the same? Him and Alliance, him left Alliance. Him start him own shit. Him end up go to jail, fight him.
By him start him own shit, him take over
regardless of the fact what him do, yeah? Same concept. Every move Cartel make, him go feet. And when him go feet, he had a fight, right?
Yeah, and now business who did it.
I know him depend the highest farmer dancer right now. Nobody never once ever say Cartel and deserve what him deserve, you know. People just say for the culture and the love of the music and the genre, them just that love for hear him reply to the youth. Cause the same concept of Cartel go for everything them go for. The Ninja Man kit done, the Buju grabbing mic,
the Bounty Killer, the Bounty Killer dinosaur.
Him got Gaza, him do teacher's pet, him got jail, him fight the system, come out of jail, recover somewhat from where him have, and told on the place. Bro, all the way him that way him go for. So why would the next youth in the same ambition space and do the same? Why is it a problem for them not do it so? He done the same thing at the formula, bro.
But Massacre cannot do half of the next
bro. And about half, bro. Brother. Let me show you something now. Let me finish.
You don't understand your bro. Dark again.
Let me finish. Cartel career is not the way man say it take it. The man go for everything where man go for. And get
but what Massacre go for? Come take one thing when
Massacre start out I try the whole world and himself. Till him find him can do other things, create him narrative, build up him catalog, build up him accolades with him one personal thing, him get to a point in career and now him feels a theme time. Who are we talking a theme time? Cartel done that a long career. Him feels him outgrow Alliance and fuck going over there. Him cut and go start him own thing or go wherever him go over the other side. Then the man say, you know what? They go start the vlogging. Then him say, him go try a reality show. Him go for everything where I credit Cartel for. The dog go for him thing them, bro. When I go for them, enough people still in that rate. Even them change the music and slow down, he realize I'm gonna go for something different. Then him upgrade certain words, name song, and certain narrative. The man do it and then beat him at first, but now look where he's at now. So what?
So you feel say the war necessary now?
Brother, in a dancehall, in a music,
no.
Man.
Not no, brother.
It's necessary for your
time.
Alright, why necessary? Please tell me why necessary.
Because remember, we are come from where we are try keep up dancehall in our space. Because you have Afrobeat where we are overshadowy and then cartel come out. Why we don't come together and just ride the wave and try bring as much artists as we can come together. Then the warrior got just settle back for your next genre come in and push you out in everything.
No,
We don't want the warrior to go.
Brilliant, hold on, brilliant.
Yeah, but you keep them on board dancehall. Why? So why am I go war alkaline then? Bro, that's a long time ago.
No,
we are talking about now.
Brilliant. Answer. Ray, let me ask you a question. When Cartel got jail, you start listening to dancehall music?
Yeah, without listening music.
No. I say you start listening to dancehall music.
No, man, I'm not stopping. We can't stop listening to dancehall music.
You still go dancehall party, though?
Yes, but you know,
no.
Yes, the music them still play. You know the dance.
Well, I'm going to tell you point now, sure. Within the time Cartel got jail, no couple artists get mobile water them something and look at billboard and them something, though. And sang and them and big training and them something, though. So when you say Afrobeat take over Jamaica, it didn't take over dancers. Tell me, go on. We dancehall people was listening to Afrobeat. Because if you listen to sing feel good song to our work, Afrobeat get a local buzz. In a live, everything up and down, I market. So look for rap and R&B now. It's technically rubbish. Yeah? But them have them when them go back up again. But yet, guess what? The song were still being listening, still being streamed. So the dancer never go nowhere. Cartel forward back out now. The whole energy around the dog bring up the situation. We're not complaining. Yes, it's an injection again in the seed. We're not complaining. When Cartel got jail, enough of that is to come out and do what they need to do to keep have good music and same fucking music same way. So they stop making it seem like Afrobeat take over. Because from Burna Boy come to Jamaica once after that, no one Afrobeat, bro. Burna Boy them get about 3 years at max at the highest peak in an Afrobeat. Right now, America don't want Afrobeat, bro. Like that, them listen to it the same way. Them sing it, them awards same way. Afrobeat that England is that one hot. But then now, look at now. The stream go back at top. Dancehall and the UK man, them thing are going again. So when they not talk about takeover, it's not takeover. Every genre have a time when them spike and them look go dip and them go again. Nobody not consistent straight through the board, bro.
So me ask you a question, my general. We just show you to back up what you say. When Afrobeat went at the top, Charlie Black's not gonna sell much platinum with party at the man.
All right.
That I did Afro?
No.
So that would the point to me say when me agreed of it just show you say it's two different conversations because two things can be true. When you hear people are gonna say Cartel that at the top, like what me say already, him that at the top and rightfully that at the top. But in the same breath for the last 4 or 5 years, boy, a massacre run, boy. So who are upset, and who no are upset, no upset. The facts are the facts.
And the same Afrobeat tone was still based in dancehall. So nice.
Wait now. Now be honest, me not gonna lie. So when Vice Cartel lock up, dancehall lock up.
And you know why lock up? You know lock up? People wasn't willing to say, give the youth them out the road, the full. Remember, you know, the man lock up, yes. But they were willing to give the man the full, the road, to give the rest of dancehall the full, like, support. This is why Afrobeat coming at Jamaica.
Yeah, them not do it, brother, forget full support.
So, and the dancehall fault, and the fans them.
No,
bro.
Brad.
I'm not telling you, say.
Wait there, Brad. Let me finish my opinion. Wait there. See? Brad. You saw me say, Vice Cartel lock up in a prison. Dancehall lock up. Me not talk off no. Me say a crucial conflict thing there, you know. See? Yeah? Dancehall lock up for sure. That's why Afrobeat take over the whole drama and kill dancehall. You see it? It's one time Vice Cartel free up. Reggae dancehall free up.
I can ask a question.
Me not bias.
I can ask a question.
Hold on, I
can ask a question.
It was in a chokehold.
Let me ask you a question. Who watch running? Hold on. Who watch running? Who watch athletics? Alright, good. Since Usain Bolt, when run, more attention and more excitement they are running or not? Let me answer myself. More attention.
Well, same thing over.
Yeah.
Wait, no. Let me tell you. Before Usain Bolt, remember say Asava. Before you not talk. Yes, before Usain Bolt, I was Asava.
Yeah, let me explain what I tell you. I not talk about who went did it before. This is the point to me I try to make. I'm for relate it back to dancehall. People listen to me, I always understand. So I try to break down things and show you. So the point I try to make, when Usain Bolt was active, that are the most attention track and field ever getting in the world. Why? Because you have a man who is a superstar who are the face of the sports. Since Usain Bolt retired, the attention and them the way track and field get it don't get it. Everybody know that worldwide. Now me say that we say this now for tiny back with the music. When Vybz Kartel got prison, Vybz Kartel are the face of dancehall followed by Movado. So if you have the face of something, get locked down, naturally it go receive less attention. Which are that happen when Kartel die prison. Because remember, if I went in the 90s, you went go. And when you go in the 90s, you went take out Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. Even Bounty, for example, but in the 90s, early 2000s. Dancehall music in America feel it one at a time because all of the big artists, them not touring. Them men not tour. Buju not tour. Beanie not tour. Bounty not tour. You understand? Good.
We talk about brother.
Yeah, you get me say general, so yeah man, that me I say.
That's why I say why we need a clash. Why Kartel need to clash him when him a focus
this is how me have to answer you.
Pushing this thing on.
I don't need
that question.
Culture
that. Answer question, bro. Yeah. See? No, there's no way you can say you're the king of dancehall and sit down with the crown and I sleep with the crown and I pray upon the crown and expect say you're not gonna stand up to a man will come take over the crown. There's no way.
Because dancehall name competition, bro. So what me I try to explain to Papa say a two different arguments him make. Because remember, when Movado and Kartel when I war, Movado still when I go Billboard. With I'm special. Remember, that's the first thing Movado go Billboard. I'm so special, then him go under the rock. Remember Kartel got Billboard the first time in the ramping shop. Because I remember tell you, when I talk the music, I not guess on it. I'm not feel it. You get me? I say, no man, and after I clash, I'm ramping shop come man. Ramping shop then I meet everything man. When him link up Spice, I say, yo, I could do this. See? But the point I try to make and I tell Papa say two different arguments which two things can be true. It can be at the top of the thing, but dancehall is a competition music. So once you go and tell a man say you are the king, whether you are the king, yes or no, and next man a come feet. I say
you have a stand up for anything, brother. If you can't say a king and you not look how expects a man and go and come to the show.
I prove a point to say, sure say, are we the people stifle dancehall, not the artists them. Alright, watch this. When Alkaline got Barclays next year, yeah? And the first thing some people are come and say, nah, full it. Remember, you know, if a dancehall was saying, and they are foreign, if we're not supporting with dancehall, then we're going to turn and say dancehall now go nowhere. When we self now go nowhere, go support it. So when they say, other John I go further down because Burna Boy and the next man a beef, but when they hear Burna Boy, everybody in Afrobeat gone over the same way though. I'm sure.
Yeah.
So the thing is this here. When you're gonna say, yo, when Kartel they jail, fine. But then another time they have pop kind of actually a mother and massacre the young youth them where potentially can upgrade the thing where than them was before, which they try their best. But guess what? There was a limitation because people I like them I say, if we give them man the full power, they're gonna take over Kartel spot. But Kartel a Kartel, bro. Like I said, Bounty a Bounty and Beanie a Beanie. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Them man have them space long time.
But that's what my general.
You see, even with that, them man come for fill the gap, bro.
Yeah, you see, even with that, it come back to the same thing of me being a tell you. The competition in a dancehall, even the artists, them fans have a competitive nature about them. Because at the end of the day, the dance part want say the vendetta fans can female artists not do what next man do. You understand? So you find out it's a competitive space where the competition at top. As we hear me tell people, say Kartel at the top and right for the show because when you look at them track record and why I'm being able to done. Because enough of them when you talk about Gaza, them don't know when Kartel just a boss. I tell people, I know Kartel from when Killer just came out in the big yellow jumper suit. I never know what the DJ and I say, give them that one day, give them that one day. Every artist.
Correction. Little bit of correction. Movado never go Billboard with Amon the Rock. Where them I do special. It was special. No. It was where them I try from 07.
I'm special.
Brother, stop running down the brother. The first Billboard man have a Red Bull and Guinness dog.
Bro,
I don't like to do that, brother.
Listen what I tell us, I'm a general. Watch your part. Hold on there.
Dancehall war. Can you pull up Movado Billboard? Because we can't have them something here now. Because something will every day and not tell me. 07 at the first Billboard, Red Bull and Guinness rhythm with Steve and Deli Rangs. What you tell me say?
Yeah. All right. And you said that they're on the billboard. Which number is on the billboard?
51K, this is general depend now. 150,000.
Your uncle, can I ask that question, uncle?
Well, and then, no, me agree with uncle. Because I want him to understand to me is one of the reason. And because me disagree, like, you just disagree with
you. Disagree, brilliant. Just that.
Next thing again, Ramping Shop wasn't Cartel first billboard.
Well, and then, uncle, you move too fast. You say, my the song, the one where you say go billboard. Which
where them I try? 07, yes.
Yeah, and which number it come on the billboard chart?
It got on the hip hop and R&B, I think on number 36 or something, peak number 36.
All right. And you said the second.
Right now.
All right, me work with you. And you said the second. You said the second one.
Hold on. I'm gonna have a chart. Go on.
Where them do 07?
And you say I'm so special like second one.
Brother, hold on, man. Look for the chart. Don't make him tell you now.
07 go billboard.
Smarty, I look on the chart. Good.
Where them do? 07 go billboard. And then
okay.
Yeah, that another remix, and then I give it all to you 2013, and then remind the song 2015.
So when I'm so special go on the chart?
10 or 9.
You need to show that about probably.
It's sure, man. Look at it. It's sure.
Man, tell me.
10 or 9.
I'll find it.
10 or 9. Anyway, me just call them something what me do every day. So
09. Chart number 74. In R&B hip hop.
All right.
So Cartel the chart. Because them change up the billboard, you won't see it. Cartel chart with Tech Body Girl and the song with B Man tell like say him bring it picture this. Chart on the billboard first from 04. Cartel chart on billboard. From 03 when the album. Not him and Beanie Man and Tech Body Girl, them the chart on billboard, hip hop and R&B hot songs. But through the billboard change up you won't see. But if you type it in, it gear it in a writing like article. Like billboard article we gear it. But in the on the billboard before Ramping Shop.
Okay, so Vada have more single.
And that's the US billboard chart.
So Vada have more single.
Yeah, man, US billboard, man. Yeah, man, US billboard.
It's a hip hop and R&B though, so I guess.
Yeah, hip hop and R&B, US billboard.
Uncle, can I ask that question?
Yeah, man.
So you have opportunity to make an artist in one room of a conversation with certain people. And them say them want a particular artist reach a peak above Cartel. And you have the chance to say yes or no. Would you say yes?
Yes.
All right. The reason I'm asking that you got most people that say no, because they say one person will be this one. This is where I come back to them and say, are we willing to
just like more somebody pass Bob Marley. Somebody can pass Cartel. I don't care about
just
that.
Just like how we willing, if we're willing to give every youth where I reach a pinnacle, the chance that not segregate the support, we can't now cost the next genre when them forward in and I do what them do. Because even the same Afrobeat, we welcome Afrobeat in Jamaica to the max.
All right, but the reason why I'm calling back now, because somebody said something where I want to totally ask, you know. Only say the people them no want, like a next article called the people them no want them pass Cartel. Whose people are do that?
I'm gonna say the fans. I mean,
no, what fans? What fans? Which fans? Cartel fans?
No, I'm just Cartel fans alone. People
so what do we then?
Support.
Yo, I'm like, so for the dancer. I'm so for
it. People in general, bro. Remember saying I just one artist alone and strive to get better than them is. But me feel say Jamaica support pan it all. In another Jamaica, we just pick a lane and no matter if an next artist is great, we not give them that look over support. Even the pan the fence support. We
all right, so me I say, so who are whole Cartel to that level? Who are walling to that level for nobody not passing?
Some of the Gaza fans them.
So are Gaza fans the majority of the world?
We say some. Jesus.
All right, no. Nobody can hold back no artist.
Yes, they
can. If you have a big out in the world, tool come on internet can hold you back.
But at the same time, Gaza, you know already. If your hometown is not strong up, it's harder for you to go road. And you know that too.
You still not hear me I say, because you know say, when Cartel they are jail, the people they never want nobody pass Cartel. So I say, which people?
Enough people, bro. Yeah, but how much, Uncle, let's be real. How much reason you're going on?
So Cartel powerful?
Yes, clearly. But Uncle Gaza, as a Gaza fan, if you talk real talk to yourself, how much panel you're going on? Even yourself, I say, yo, them people are the loaded dog. Wrong, I'm right.
No, you're right, but me still
So
ask you.
No, but
who has stopped them? No, brother. So who has stopped them from go? So nobody ever stop Popcorn from go do what I do?
They been stop him. Popcorn should
Nobody not stop Massacre, you know? So hold on. So you feel like, hold on, I'm going to ask you. You feel like Massacre don't get the support where him to get?
He was playing over going now.
All right, so, all right, so let me tell you something about Cartel enough people don't understand. Cartel is not just music. Cartel been in brand and a whole heap of secret.
In diverse in name, in a different stuff. I know this.
A whole heap of secret Cartel tell me to him career, you know. I'm not going to tell him. Yo, it's not just music, you know.
Reason.
Nah, the man brand himself one different way than the people in mind, you know. It's a branding, you know.
Bro, listen up.
Like if you even hear him talk in an interview, him speak to himself as a third person. That is branding, you know. No, because Vybz Kartel will not be the one. Vybz Kartel will not be the one to answer anybody else. Him brand himself, so him name, him name become a thing there in your ears.
Bread. Bread. Come here, have a question for you. Somebody can you notice me disappear. Come tell people again. A fax me deal with them my talk. No man just tell me nothing I'm run with it. You have somebody like comment to say, I'm not going to say where them say Gaza uncle attack. I mean, I want him to feel like me at this shit.
Yeah, man. Me see it already long time.
But this man say 4 times. Now me just go in and me make sure. That's why I ask you which chat. Me not talk about something like a reggae chat. Or something like a rave for the Billboard.
Nah, me not talk about reggae chat. Billboard USA chat.
But
yeah.
When we just go on it, the same thing when the somebody I tell you what the same thing me see. With the rapping shop being the first one. Me jump and go tell them.
Dog, I just explain to you, say the Billboard change up. You know, listen to me say no.
No, listen what me try, and this me try explain to you. And who want get it. When you talk about chart, many times some man want tell about the Nepal chart. It's not the main 100 chart. It's something like a sub-genre chart.
No, brother, stop me, dog. Listen to me say no.
Yeah, but listen what me I tell you, say.
Come remember the list here. Dog, charting me doing, brother. You see me not have to look for nothing.
Brother, the Fox did it. We say a 4-time Cartel go up on the chart. Main 100 Billboard chart.
No, Cartel has never been on the 100 chart yet.
He been on it because Rampage.
Bro, brother, stop telling me, brother.
All right.
That's the first 100. Bro, stop it, dog. You embarrass yourself, brother.
All right, good. Me want to go ask you one question.
The biggest, hold on. The biggest chart in the world is the Hot 100 chart. Cartel not a song panic, brother.
All right, cool. Cool. Me listen to you say. Me go ask you one question.
Not a song panic. You know who does go panic right here? Shake it to the max with Skilly Bang them.
All right, well on there. Good. Me I hear everything what you say. But the question that me want to ask you. So you are tell me say you know more than Billboard site where me depend.
There's no Hot 100 chart to Cartel depend.
Yeah, but me ask you one question. Because somebody in the comment do the research and me do it too. So the question me ask you. Hold on, Brett. The question when me want to ask him. So
oh my God.
Than the Billboard chart itself. The
original chart. What the Billboard tell you say?
Let me tell you, sir, uncle. It say yes, Cartel has been appeared on the Billboard chart, notable with Spice, Rampage Shop, R&B hip hop via feature, but as not.
But it's not
major.
at 100.
No, hold on. But as not major solo hits and at 100, not solo. So let me get the context right.
Dog, Fever solo hit. What the fuck we not talking about?
It just said that, dog. That's what I tell you.
Bro, Fever is a solo hit. Yo, jump on buckle.
Bread. Listen what I say, Bread. Listen what I say.
Stop embarrassing yourself, dog.
Bread, listen what I say. You say Fever, come me depend on the official. I'm not talking about us Google. Because no people not understand you can go on official Billboard. Billboard site. I hit me depend. Fever depend it. So I tell you, Ramping Shop are the first, and Fever depend it. I just straight me go back on it right now on my phone.
Bro, Cartel have more than one song on Billboard. Listen to something here. He have more than 4 too.
Listen what I tell you. On the Billboard.
Bro, what are you talking about? Is not on the 100. Stop doing that, my brother.
Which chart? Which chart, Brilliant? Which chart?
Well on.
Vybz Kartel.
The 100.
Bro, the Billboard Hot 100 is the biggest chart in the world. The one where Sean Paul and Shaggy them depend. Who not do this for, brother?
No, but the man has a man like, which chart you not talk about? Tell you no, man. I know just Billboard.
Bro, Cartel go up on the airplay chart. Cartel go up on the rhythmic airplay. Cartel go up on the electric chart. Cartel go up on the hip hop and R&B hot songs. Him don't go up on Hot 100.
All right. It's you're right. It's a 23 on the US Billboard airplay.
You wanna see them something here for brother? I'm here telling you, me not for looking at dog.
When you go up on the
Billboard chart,
bro. Jesus Christ,
just go up on it again. Cause you went there upon you can't talk. Him up on the floor with me as a laser to on the Hot 100 chart. Me dep on the
It's not hot. It's R&B Hot 100. It's different from Hot 100. You're deaf.
Jesus
Christ of Nazareth.
Alright, so brilliant. Hot 100 is like the World Cup. A dance, a music.
You know what I like talk to Jamaican people about music.
Quick, you know that.
No, because connected to something you're not here.
Uncle, explain.
No, you tell me you're
Let me tell you.
Explain.
The Billboard Hot 100 is the biggest chart in the world. Let me give you an example when I say. Can't come you not understand. Beanie Man have only 6 songs on it. Shabba have 5. Sean Paul have 19. This is me not look for me now Google. I say what me do every day. The Hot 100 is the biggest chart in the world.
Is that the World Cup of music?
No. You have the other one they will go to 100, but they name airplay chart, electric chart. It name hip hop and R&B, hot songs. It name them there. Different something. But all of them go to 100. But you have Hot 100, them no go there, so. Popcorn no go there, Movado no go there, Skilly Ben go there 2 times. Like, me can't tell you, brother. We have mixed up with something and people tell you, nah, listen.
The people don't understand what Uncle say. Hot 100 is like the World Cup for music. Everything else are like Euros are African nation. So much I tell you if you understand. If you go upon that,
and Cartel enter the Billboard more than 4 times.
You're against
that. More I tell you that. Time scheme keep on write that. Cartel just enter the Billboard with Travis Scott and Tyler. Him just enter the Billboard with DJ Khaled and Bust when